In this video also I will review 5 projects, so let's get started. So Flappy Chicken by Nitya Sarkar. Let's see this. So this is by the Warframe tutorial, I know this. Let's start again. I'm very bad at Flappy Bird games. Okay, the last try. So this is a very good game, but if you go to Warframe's channel and check out the latest video on this topic, you'll see that this is not much different. So I think this is just a remix with few changes done. So originality 2 out of 10, creativity 2 out of 10, gameplay 7 out of 10, looks 7 out of 10, features 6 out of 10, overall 5 out of 10. Volcanic Eruption, a scrolling platformer by Kaustav Shrestha. So let's see. Okay, so this game had a problem with this sprite. There's a sprite empty one. It was just shown, so you cannot see the player. And when you hide it, the game is working. So now let's see. So this is by Griffpatch tutorial, I think. The coins, the assets, and also the game itself. There is a lot of change, but that's not like a big change. Anyone can do that. So I think this is not his 100% original work. Let's see if we can complete the level 1.
Another one.
Okay, yes. So that was the exit, but I couldn't win. I think we have to collect all the coins. So now you can see this is white and I can go to the second level. So we finally completed the level 1. So this is a really good game, but the problem is the same. This time it is made by tutorials by Griffpatch. And if you again go and check out his series on this topic, he has very similar assets and the gameplay isn't changed very much. Although the costume for the platform is different, but I cannot give much ratings for that. So originality 4 out of 10, creativity 4 out of 10, gameplay 8 out of 10, looks 5 out of 10, and features 2 out of 10. So overall 5 out of 10. Zombie Shooter by Harshit Savish. Let's see. Astro Harshit. This is the intro. So play controls kit. This is my start menu tutorial. You can just watch it. The link is in the description. So the controls are arrow keys, mouse to aim and click to shoot, P to open the shop, 1 to change your gun. Good luck. Okay. Wow, this is awesome. Like there are no animations for the shoot, but the sound effects is really good. And the assets are really good. This is from the game called Assassin. That is a really cool game. And this is really good. You can use images because this is not like from anyone's project. And the shooting mechanic is from the Warframes series for shooter games. Here you can see the things are visible. So he has just followed the tutorial and just made this game. This is a pretty good game. I know this is also made by tutorials from Warframe. But no problem, as he has made his own asset and the game feels good, but that doesn't mean I will give higher ratings. Originality 5 out of 10, creativity 6 out of 10, gameplay 6 out of 10, looks 5 out of 10, features 2 out of 10, so overall 5 out of 10. Oxity Adventure Chapter 1 64. This is a pretty long name. Let's see. This looks good. The project uses Inkable 3D sound engine. Press enter or space enter. So this is an animation, I think. So let's play. I think this is the time to play. Weedle hop on. Oh. So I don't think this makes any difference if we go left or right until the bee comes. So this is a pretty good game with a mixture of many types of games. Here's a platformer. Then we have, this is a pretty hard game, and here you can see I lost because I lost the hit points. A pretty hard game, but this is a really good game. This is a very good game. and this time I think this is original work. The best part about this game is it has a story which is sometimes really difficult to think and even implement, but the difficulty is a bit higher than what it should be, I think. So originality 10 out of 10, creativity 10 out of 10, gameplay 7 out of 10, look 6 out of 10, features 4 out of 10, and overall 7 out of 10. That is a pretty good score. You should keep it up. Screen Recorder by Cryocam 2, Ian Simons. So let's see this game. To play recorded video at, what is this, I think. So this, we can just choose the resolution and press the right arrow key and let's see. So this is rendering. Let's try with the lower resolution and let's see how the print is. This is going infinitely many times. Here you can see this is going black on black, and I don't know why this is called screen recorder, because it is making textures. So I didn't understand what this is. And so I cannot give any ratings for that. Also, he asked me to find a use for it, but I cannot give a use for a thing I didn't understand at all. I think this is a broken CPU testing renderer, which are made by professional scratchers like Griftpatch and more. So this was all for today. I recommend you join our Discord server and also our subreddit if you like. You can join our Discord for regular updates about everything related to Scratch, calls for video ideas, surveys, and fun. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.